Number 26. The diagram shows a section through human skin. What are the structures labeled X, Y, and Z? So it looks like X is quite close to the outside of the skin. So it's there to perceive many stimuli. Hence, X is a receptor. So receives many stimuli. Y, it looks like it's attached to the hair, and its function is to contract, to erect the hair, or relax, to lower the hair. So Y should be hair erector muscle. So the answer is B already. And Z is the sweat gland because it produces sweat that goes to the outside, the skin. I mean, it gets attached. It gets released from the skin and it gets attached to the skin for a while and receives all the heat energy and then gets vaporized or evaporated and then releases the heat energy, thereby cooling our body temperature down. So, the answer for this question is B.